Welcome to the YouTube Video Editing Services Learning Center. In today's video, we're going to quickly and clearly show you how to use the sound effects library in Wondershare Filmora. Sound effects can make your videos more engaging, dynamic, and professional, so it's important to know how to use them properly. So let's get started. First, open Wondershare Filmora and load your project on the timeline. Now, go to the Audio tab at the top of the screen. From here, select the Sound Effects section. You'll find a wide range of categories such as whoosh sounds, clicks, nature sounds, cinematic effects, and ambient audio. These are great for adding depth and enhancing different moments in your video. Click on any sound effect to preview it and see if it fits your scene. Once you find the right sound, I simply drag and drop it onto the timeline below your video. Now, adjust the position of the sound effect so it matches perfectly with your visuals. Timing is very important to make it feel natural. You can also trim the sound effect if needed, or adjust its volume by double-clicking the audio clip and using the audio settings panel. For a more professional touch, try lowering the volume slightly so it blends well with your main audio. Now, preview your video to make sure everything sounds smooth and perfectly synced. And that's it. Your sound effect has been successfully added, and your video now feels more polished and engaging. And if you're looking for high-quality YouTube video editing services, whether it's for YouTube channels, promotional content, or corporate videos, we're here to help. You can find the contact link in the description below. Don't forget to follow us for more quick tips and professional editing solutions.